Hello, my friends. I'm here with another story. I'm excited to read it to you. This one's about a little girl named Zara and her dog named Moose. And I don't know if you have a dog, but if you have a dog, you know how much dogs want to be with their people. And so this dog, Moose, really wants to be with her people. So I'm excited to introduce this story to you. It's called Hello, Goodbye, Dog by Maria Gianferrari, with pictures by Patrice Barton, and the illustrations are really nice in this story. Hello, Goodbye, Dog. Hello, Moose, said Zara. There was nothing Moose loved more than hello. Hello was a ride in the car. Goodbye, Moose, said Zara. It's time for school. Moose put on the brakes. It took Mom and Dad to get Moose to leave. Aw, poor Moose. There was nothing Moose disliked more than goodbye. Goodbye was an itch that couldn't be scratched. When Mom checked the mailbox, out zoomed Moose. It was time to say hello. Where is Moose going? Two paws patted on the glass. Oh my, said Mrs. Perkins. It's my dog Moose, said Zara. Hello, Moose, said the class. Moose went all the way to school. Hello was a pat on the head. Dogs aren't allowed in school, said Mrs. Perkins. Moose will be quiet, said Zara. She loves story time. Moose lay at Zara's feet as Mrs. Perkins read a story. Goodbye, Moose. Moose put on the brakes. It took Mom, Dad, Zara, and Mrs. Perkins to get Moose to leave. Goodbye was being tied up in the backyard. Moose doesn't look too happy with goodbye. Moose chewed through the rope. It was time to say hello. Hello, Moose, cried Zara. Hello was having a book and someone to read it to you. Dogs aren't allowed in the library, said Miss Chen. Moose will be quiet, said Zara. She likes when I read to her. Zara read. Kids listened. Moose's tail swept circles on the rug. Goodbye, Moose. Moose put on her brakes. It took Mom, Dad, Zara, Mrs. Perkins, and Ms. Chen to get Moose to leave. Goodbye was a closing door. Moose pushed through the screen. It was time to say hello. Hello, Moose, said Zara. Hello smelled like homemade cookies. Dogs aren't allowed in the cafeteria, said one of the lunch ladies. She'll be quiet. I'll just read to her, said Zara. Zara read. One kid sat, then another, and another, until the table was full. Moose's tail thumped on the floor. What's that dog doing in here? asked Principal Evans. It's time for goodbye, Moose, said Zara. But Moose was tired of goodbye. A game of tag was on. Principal Evans was it. chairs tipped, kids slipped, teachers tripped, trays flipped, and Moose skipped right back to Zara. Oh boy, look at that mess. Then Moose got tagged. Goodbye, Moose, said Zara. It took Mom, Dad, Zara, Mrs. Perkins, Ms. Chen, Principal Evans, and all the lunch ladies to get Moose to leave. Oh boy, what a mess. Goodbye was tag without an it. Goodbye was tug and no war. Goodbye was hide without seek. Goodbye was being alone. Oh, yowled Moose. She needed to say hello, but Zara wasn't there. Oh, poor Moose. Hello, Moose, said Zara. I know you don't like goodbyes, and I have an idea. Zara took Moose to therapy dog school. Did you know there's such a thing as a therapy dog? Those are dogs that help other people. So Zara's taking Moose to therapy dog school. Having trouble turning this page. Moose was tested at school on her temperament. Temperament means like her mood, her behavior. Check. Good temperament. On sitting, lying down, staying. Check. On being with children. Check. On being around wheelchairs. Double check. Finally, Moose was ready. Moose has a certificate as a therapy dog. A therapy dog school graduate. The next day, Moose joined Zara in the classroom. Hello, Moose, said the class. Mrs. Perkins, Ms. Chen, Principal Evans, and all the lunch ladies. Welcome, class reading dog, Moose. Today was hello. The end. And this is the author's note about the importance of therapy dogs. Therapy dogs can be used in classrooms and libraries to foster a love of reading. Therapy reading dogs provide a positive association with reading, especially with reading aloud, since child readers are neither judged on nor corrected for mispronunciation by the dogs. See that? Those are two real-life therapy dogs, just like Moose. I hope you liked that one. Maybe if you have a dog, you can help it become something like a therapy dog, at least in your house. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're reading a lot. And I will hopefully again see you soon. Bye.